Hey guys, this is Kelsey from Frankly Natural Beauty, and I'm here with my mom Kathy, and today we are making a sweet coconut salt bar.
First of all though, if you guys are new to our channel, it's the first time you watch our channel on this video, welcome! And please give us a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe, because that would be really cool. It doesn't cost anything, it's free, and we're gonna make more videos and all the time. Alright, so go on, Kelsey.
So today we'll be making something a little bit different than what we normally make. We're going to be making these salt bars that are scented with coconut fragrance oil along with vanilla oak and buttermint.
And we decided to call it sweet coconut salt bars. And those are really cool because they're very exfoliating. They're beautiful salt bars. If you never used a salt bar before, oh my gosh, these are good. Okay, so let's go and do this.
Let's get soaping!
Okay guys, so I have my coconut oil. So this recipe is actually almost 90% made of coconut oil. Maybe this is like, I think it's 80% coconut oil, more than that. And then we have sweet almond oil. Most salt bars are made with coconut oil, okay? A lot of percentage of coconut oil. Some people make all coconut oil. But we're going to put a little bit of this beautiful almond oil in there. And I'm going to do my usual thing over here. I'm going to put my really hot lye. That I put some beautiful clay in there. Purple Brazilian clay over here from Brambleberry. So they weren't going to be like purple natural salt bars. Then I'm going to put slowly in here. And this is going to melt my coconut oil. And this is called what, Kelsey? Do you remember when we do this?
It's called the heat transfer method.
That is right. Okay. Ooh, look at that clay. Still in there. There's more Brazilian clay. This, man, okay, this is pretty hot. It's like 170 degrees, I think. Okay, so we're gonna melt the coconut oil with that. And I'm not gonna show you guys, okay, so as you can see, my coconut oil is almost all melted. I have a couple little tiny pebbles in here. They're not done yet, but they're almost there. So just a few more seconds and they're gonna be gone. Alright, so this is the color that's right here now with the clay here with the purple Brazilian clay. It's more like a, it looks like a clay, like a wine to me, doesn't it? Like a Cabernet kind of.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, so now I'm gonna put my other oil, mixed it in there, a little bit of, tiny bit. This is a little bit of almond oil, sweet almond oil. It is so nice. I love sweet almond oil. It's beautiful oil. This is a very, very simple recipe. Nothing really special. But anyway, there it is. And we got this from a book that we have. And if you guys want to purchase this book, it's really good. I'm going to show you at the end. And I got the book on Amazon. It has fabulous recipes. I tweaked them a little bit, but this one is almost the same I didn't tweak it yet. But next time I will, probably. Okay, so now I'm going to blend it a little bit. I'm going to blend this a little bit, and I'll be back. Blend of this beautiful fragrance oil is, what is it, Kelsey? Coconut?
Coconut cream,
Mm-hmm.
vanilla oak, and buttermint.
That's right. And I'm gonna do this by hand because it's a kind of light trace, but it's got kind of a little bit medium trace right now. It's getting there really fast. So what I'm gonna do, this is we have to work really quickly here, very, very, very quick, because once we put the salt in here, it gets really, really, really pasty. It's going to be really hard to pour. So let me move the stuff, and let's get the sea salt. And I have, I don't know, how many cups is this? A couple cups maybe. So we're going to work this really fast in here. And I'm going to make sure there's all mixed in, because we don't want any pockets of salt that's not mixed in. And I did make sure that there were no big lumps in there, so it should be all nice. Wow, look how beautiful this is. What do you think, Kels? Hmm? It smells so good.
It does. It reminds me of a cocktail.
Which one?
Probably either a pina colada or something with coconut in it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Maybe I'll give it a little bit of a blend to make sure that there's nothing in there. I don't want it to be really, really thick, so just a little. Just to make sure that the salt is all mixed in. All right. Already done. Now we're gonna pour it in individual molds, because the salt bars get really thick really fast, and we don't want to do that. We don't want to get salt bars that are too thick. Let's see if I can do with this. And we have those cute little sunflower molds, and we're gonna use these, and there we go. And by the way, guys, we are open at our booth. We're not there, but because we are in a place, in a mini mall where there's a supermarket, and it's an essential business, and soap is essential because we need soap, right?
Right.
With the coronavirus, is the best thing you can use. Wash your hands. Soap bars are the best. They're actually better than liquid soap. A lot of people have a misconception about that. So if you have somebody that makes, I'm going to do this a little bit. Okay, guys, so this recipe, 2.5 pounds, makes 12 of those bars. And And I do like the color. It was very cool. And these should be ready in about 3 hours or so. I hope they don't crack. We're going to be checking on them. But anyway, there it is. Very simple recipe. Beautiful recipe. So we're going to let it stay probably for about overnight because it's late now here. And we're going to go to bed. Tomorrow morning we'll mold them. I'll check a little bit later and see if they're drying out evenly and beautifully. Okay, and we do that. And we'll see what they look like. And later on, we're going to do a laser test. Okay, we're going to do a laser test for a couple soaps that we have. And we're also going to post on Facebook and on Instagram. If you're not following us on Facebook or Instagram, please do. Our Facebook page is just like our YouTube name is Frankly Natural Beauty, and we post a lot of stuff there. What's going on in the shop over there in Buckley? We are selling our soap bars also on Facebook, on our shop on Facebook. Right now we are really low because we didn't make a lot of them because we didn't think that things would pick up so fast. But apparently, you know, are picking up, and we're really happy that that's happening. And so if you guys want to buy anything from us, go on our Facebook shop and we'll send them to you. And if you spend more than $30, I'm not sure, I can't remember if it's $30 or $35, you get free shipping anywhere in the United States, not overseas. Okay, all right, so we don't sell overseas, we only sell in the United States right now. So let's see what's going on with this tomorrow. We'll see in a second by magic of YouTube. Alright guys, here we're back. This is after overnight. It's been like, what, 10 hours maybe? And the soap is ready. It's really, really hard. It actually was ready after 3 to 4 hours last night. But, you know, we wanted to go to sleep. Anyway, I'm going to show you the book that we got the recipe from. It's this one over here. Kelsey, can you show them? And it's a Simple and Natural Soap Making by Jan Berry. She has really good recipes in here. So if you're interested in making your own soap and you want to use natural products, this is a great book. So I recommend it. Yeah, we get it from Amazon, but you can get it from other places where they sell books. It's a great book. Alright, so and here we go. Let's go and unmold this soap. So I'm going to start from this one here. Let's see if it comes. It should come out really well. Oh yeah, look at that. It's beautiful. Look at that. That's pretty cool. So I'm going to unmold all of them. Okay. I hope that all come out really well. And salt bars are really, really nice for exfoliating. They're not harsh on your body. And then this one has beautiful coconut oil and almond oil. That's great for your skin. So if you never tried a soap bar before, I recommend you get one and try one. They're really nice. I like the gentle exfoliation that the salt has. We used sea salt for this one, and we actually used the sea salt from let me show you what we used. We used this one over here from Costco, the Kirkland brand. I really like this one over here. The next one I'm gonna make is gonna be made with the Himalayan pink salt, and it's about the same kind of concept, you know. It's just a different kind of soap. And we're going to use a really fine Himalayan soap. There we go. So let me know if you have any questions. We're going to do a lather test when these cure in about a month from now. And see how they perform. Okay, let me finish doing this and I'll show you all of them in a sec. Okay? Alright guys, there you have it. There they are. Our little sunflower made with sea salt and with purple Brazilian clay from Brambleberry. and scented with our coconut cream and what did we use?
Vanilla oak.
Vanilla oak, and we had a little bit of what was it? Buttermint fragrance oil that we used. So this is like something we wanted to use up. We had a little bit of those fragrance oils left, and it came out really good. It smells very nice. Those are really nice, and they're not very big bars. I mean, they're like, see, they fit in the palm of my hand there. My hand. They're really nice. What do you think, Kelsey?
Yeah, they look great.
And they feel very, very smooth. They're really nice. Okay, so if you guys like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to buy any of those, we are actually putting everything on our Facebook shop. So if you have any questions, you want to buy some of these, we can send it to you. Well, they'll be ready in June. And we'll post on our Facebook page and Instagram. So follow us on Instagram, FNAT Beauty, and you'll see a lot of good stuff coming up in the shop and online. Thank you so much for supporting our channel. I hope everybody's okay, and please stay safe, my friends. Bye.